PwC have just launched our annual CEO survey, and it's very interesting to see the results of that. The first thing is the level of optimism globally for CEOs is the highest it's ever been. At the same time, they are worried about geopolitical events, they're worried about cyber, they're worried about technology and technology disruption. Everyone is going to be disrupted. You talk to someone that runs an airport, and actually a third of their revenue comes from car parking. Well, in a world of driverless cars, there won't be any need for car parking. You talk to air freight companies. We predict at PwC 41% of air cargo will not need to fly in the future because it will be 3D printing. Satellites need to be smaller so we can get them into space easier. So miniaturization is a huge thing. Everywhere you go, everything you touch is about to be hugely disrupted by this technology revolution that we're going through.